Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have a really special unboxing. It is the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami collection. I was fortunate to get 3 pieces, so let's get into the unboxings. Before we get started, I know I've taken a lot of time off of YouTube. I plan on coming back. It's part of my 2025 goals. And what better way to restart my channel than with a Louis Vuitton and Murakami unboxing. So without further ado, I'm super excited. Let's just get right into it. As you can see, I have 3 pieces here. I literally rushed home from work once I got the notification that these had arrived because I've been waiting for these for so long. I was actually able to pre-order these back in December. I received an email from Louis Vuitton Client Services saying that I was invited to shop the collection as a VIC. So I sent my wish list to my sales advisor and then they were able to place the orders for me. If you want a more detailed story time of how I was able to place my pre-orders, do let me know in the comment section down below. It was a very different experience than what I was used to in the past. So if you want to hear about that, let me know down below. But let's go into this. So I'm going to start off with the smallest to the largest. I did open up the little pull tab here just to make it a little bit easier, but I did not open it at all. So I don't even know if it got special packaging or anything. So let's just go ahead and open up the first one. Okay, so the first one comes in this little box here. I did order these online through Client Services, as I mentioned before. I did not order it through the store. Oh, okay, so first one, fortunately no bag, but I did get the ribbon, which is exciting, which is fine. The packaging would have been nice, but you know, you win some, you lose some. And any guesses as to what this might be? Again, there was no special dust bag for this. If you did see a lot of the PR unboxings, there was special dust bags. I honestly think that was a little bit of a missed opportunity for Louis Vuitton. I really do appreciate the unique dust bags. I know the Yaya Kusama had a unique dust bag and a couple other collections did as well. With such a large collection like this, I don't understand why Louis Vuitton didn't do that, but that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I think I know what this one is. So I actually haven't seen any unboxings of the 3 pieces that I ordered. So this will probably be the first on YouTube, but let me know in the comments if it's wrong. And I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Can you guys take a look? Oh my gosh. So this is the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami in the multicolor in the noir. Oh my good gosh, this is insane. So it does have silver hardware. This one actually still has a sticker on it, which means it's fresh, hasn't been used. And then inside it is just the black interior, and then there is a hot stamp which says 20-year anniversary Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami, made in France, and then it has the little symbols. I'll put a close-up so you guys can see that. And then it does come with the 2 tags, so I will put the product codes down below for you. But honestly, I'm not sure if there's going to be restocks for this collection. My sales associate seems to think that there will be. I mean, if I were Louis Vuitton, why wouldn't you do a restock for a collection like this? But you never know. But this is piece number 1. Let's get into piece number 2. Okay, so we started off strong. Piece number 2 came in this box, so it was like a medium-sized box. Fingers crossed we get the packaging. I'm surprised that if we don't get packaging for online orders, because you would think that they would send it, but who knows. Oh my god. Yay. So I got a bag. I got a shopping bag. Oh, yes. Sorry, I'm like freaking out. So I got the shopping bag. I'm happy that I didn't get the questionable one. If you know, you know. This is the receipt, and sorry, what I giggled about was I got the tag. I wanted this Murakami Panda tag so bad, and I'm so happy that I got one. And I did get the ribbon as well. Oh, this is so cute, and it has the Blanc monogram on the back. Okay, let's open this one up. Let's see. This is the dust bag that it came in. And this is the piece that I got. It is the, oops, that was one of the cards. It is the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami multicolor noir passport cover. I absolutely love this, and in hindsight I kind of wish that I got the white version as well. So after I did place my pre-orders back in December, I had reached out to my client advisor kind of like closer to the end of the year of 2024 to see if I could pre-order some more pieces through the VIC link. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do that, so I had to place some pre-orders through the regular channels. But unfortunately, all of those items that I've pre-ordered are still pending order validation. So fingers crossed they get accepted, but if they don't, I'm not sure what I'll do. But this is the piece. Let's move on to piece number 3. Okay, last but certainly not least, the biggest box. Any guesses as to what might be in here? I'm gonna open this up so you guys can have a sneak peek first. Let me know. Did we get the packaging? Oh, we didn't get the packaging again. Okay, that's fine. At least we got one bag. Oh, and we didn't. Oh, it's a hit and miss, honestly, sometimes with Louis Vuitton. We didn't even get the ribbon and the tag, but it's okay. At least I got one of each, which was more than what I wanted. I just wanted at least one tag, one bag, one ribbon. Because to be honest, I have too many of these things and I just don't know what to do with them half the time. This is the receipt, and this is the gift wrapping for 2024. Because I already have this, I'm just going to just take it off. And inside, okay, there is tissue paper in here, but it's not the Murakami one, which I actually don't know if anybody in Canada actually received the tissue paper. If you are in Canada and you ordered this collection and you did get the multicolor blanc tissue paper that went with these items, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear if you did receive it, or if it was just certain countries that got it. I know a lot of videos that I've been watching, only certain countries got certain packaging, so it could be just be like how Louis Vuitton is distributing it, but let me know. So, any guesses as to what this one might be? Sorry guys, I had to look at it first. So this is the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami Pochette Accessoire. Oh my god, let me just take this in. Oh my goodness. And honestly, this canvas feels a lot better. This canvas feels a lot better than my other Louis Vuitton canvases, which is weird. In the inside, it does come with a strap. This is the chain strap that you see on the photos. It does come with a small leather strap similar to the regular pochette accessoire. And then on the inside, it's actually a microfiber lining. And then you have the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami stamp there. I absolutely love it with the chain. I don't actually like the small leather strap that comes with the pochette accessoires. I actually don't use it. If you see my other one, I actually don't use it as well. And if we're gonna just do like a quick comparison, you'll notice that the chain on the regular pochette accessoires, the drop is a lot longer, which is interesting. And I wonder if the pochettes are the same size. Let's see. I could do a more in-depth review of this later, but yeah, they are the same size, but it's interesting how the drop is not. So that will be interesting. So this is item number 3 that I got from the Takashi Murakami collection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really did enjoy this video. I am super excited. I'm so happy that the Takashi Murakami collab is here and I was able to secure some pieces. My inner millennial self is extremely happy right now. You have no idea how long I waited for this. So with that being said, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.